guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, March 19th, and I'm back like I never left. It's been about a month, I think, since you guys last seen me. So much has gone on. I moved and everything. You know, when you move, everything is just so chaotic. Stuff is everywhere. Stuff is a mess. I was looking a mess, so I did not want to vlog any of that, between the packing and the unpacking and just things being in total chaos. I ain't got no nails on. You know, moving is rough. And then shortly after I moved, I think the week after I moved, I'm like, okay, which was last week actually, I was like, okay, I'm about to pick up the camera and vlog again. And then I had the most horrible rash on my face. I don't know where it came from. I usually don't have any skin problems at all, so I don't know what happened. Was it if it was an allergic reaction, or I don't know what happened, but I was looking terrible. It was awful, so I definitely didn't want to pick it up to film then. And I had jury duty and everything last week, and so I had to go with my face looking crazy, but you know I wasn't vlogging that. So now it's a little bit better. I'm still having some issues, so I probably need to go and see a dermatologist. I'm trying to figure it out. So the rash is gone, but it's still a little bit bumpy. I don't know if you guys can tell, and I'm definitely not gonna zoom up to give y'all a better look, because no. So I'm gonna stay right back here where it's comfortable. But yes, so today I'm just resetting my home. I think I'm gonna go to dinner later with my best friend, but just resetting my home. Zuri and I are about to do a fridge restock. She has a little miniature fridge, and so all of her stuff, to make it easy on me during the week, like if I'm working or something like that, I need it to be easy and in reach for her. So I got her a miniature fridge that's just all her own. So we're going to be restocking that in a little bit. And yeah, I am back to vlogging. I actually really miss vlogging. I said, oh, look at me being a vlog girl. Okay, I had to do a little mini grocery haul to get some things to restock her fridge. Don't mind the things that obviously aren't going in her fridge, but I got her yogurt drinks that she likes, little cheese packets because she loves cheese. I tried to get her quite a bit of these, but they were out at the store, so they ended up bringing me these, which will work just fine because I had also gotten some crackers too, so I'll just pair that for her for a snack. Of course, her Capri Suns, her little chocolate milks, and then I'm going to cut up her grapes for her. Yes, I still cut my daughter's grapes in half because I don't play that. A lot of people give their toddlers whole grapes, but I'm a first time mom and I just gotta be safe. So yeah, I'm gonna cut her grapes up and put her some grapes and blueberries because that's the only fruit she kind of likes right now. Put that in her, this is mine, don't mind it, and put that in her her little container. You guys will see how I cut it up so she can take it out and just get some fruit out of it. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and do her little restock. Well, y'all probably didn't even know I went anywhere, but I did. Today is Tuesday. I haven't picked up the camera since Sunday, but we're back. Had a busy morning this morning. Had to run quite a few errands. I went to the office. Did a whole lot. Took Ziggy and Zuri outside for a little bit when we got back home. The weather is so nice today. Like, so nice. It's the daylight savings time. The fact that it stays lighter longer. Y'all can see everything in these glasses, can't y'all? But these glasses are my new favorite because they help with my little eye fatigue from looking at the computer almost 24/7 for the past 100,000 years. I feel like they really help with eye fatigue and the blue light and everything like that. So I have them more, so I know y'all probably can see everything in them, but oh well. But the weather, I think it's just helping my mood so much. The first thing I told you guys that I moved, and just being in my new place, it's just so peaceful and just it's just everything right now. And not only just being in my own place, the fact that it's staying lighter longer, like, yes, that's what I need. You know, when it gets dark so early, that's just so depressing. And just, oh my god, you feel like, well, what did I do with my day? And the whole day is over as soon as it gets dark. But now that it's staying lighter longer, it just makes me feel like I have more day, have more energy, I can do more things, fit more things in my day. So this evening I do have some more work to do, so my work is not done yet. You think I'm about to make dinner before I get to work. I think I'm about to cut some music on, make dinner and everything while Zuri's playing. Varess not here right now, so just cut some music on, just vibe, cook some dinner, or probably just watch some vlogs. Catch up on all my nice vlog girlies that posted today. Catch up on those vlogs. And yeah, it's gonna be a nice relaxing evening in, not doing too much. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. You okay? Julie's already making dinner. You put octopus, fish, cookies.
Oh, no, that's enough.
It's knocking itself over. There's not enough space for it. Come get it and put it in your room, and mommy will eat it in your room.
No, just out here.
Huh?
No dinner.
Huh?
Just dinner.
You went fishing? Those are your bathtub toys. Why do you have them out?
Because Daddy gave them to me.
Daddy let you play with your bathtub toys? I thought it was only for bath time.
They are toys.
Huh?
Oh no. I need to buy fish.
Here.
No.
Catch the octopus.
I got it, Mom.
I got it. Good job. Good job. Good job.
I got an octopus.
My girl.
Wow.
She's so funny. Zuri is so funny, y'all. 2-year-olds. I saw this post the other day on this light is kind of bright, it's still daylight. Saw this post the other day on Instagram that said 2-year-olds have the bad attitude of a teenage girl. And I'm like, yes they do. Zuri and me being here, y'all, we be finna. Cause what? This little girl got me messed up. You be wanting to fight your own kid. I love my girl, but golly, Zuri has a lot of personality, a lot of spunk, a lot of sass, she's got a lot going on. And I'm out time enough for her. Don't get it twisted. But still, I thought I had some time before I had to be dealing with the kind of talking she be doing. I'd be like, who taught you that, or where did you get that from?
I think I'm falling in love. just ain't the same between us. I can't explain the way they changed. When you touch my skin, things just start to happen, and no, I don't know, but I think I'm falling in love with you. Feels like I'm falling in love with you. I miss you even though you ain't go nowhere. When I kiss you, it makes me feel some type of way in my heart. It feels like my heart skipped a beat. Feels like I'm falling in love with you. I miss you even though you ain't go nowhere. When I kiss you, it makes me feel some type of way in my heart. It feels like my heart skipped a beat. And without you, I feel incomplete. Things just ain't the same between us. I can't explain the way they change, but I think I'm falling in love with you. Feels like I'm falling in love with you. I think I'm falling in love.
Okay, whew, I'm all done. Sitting at my desk now because I told you guys already I still have some work to do tonight. A mother's job is never done. I know some of you ladies out there feel me. Even if you're not a mom, a woman's work is mostly never done. So I'm sitting here, I'm going to eat my soup I just made. I tasted it, it is delicious. And then I'm going to get back to work. And that's about it for this evening. Thank you guys for cooking with me this evening. My tripod, I can't.
This is Phase Music.
I'm in here. Look at you. She getting a good giggle out. I can hear her laughing from out there.
Cause she be trying to take my turn.
Hey, get it back.
She want everything you got.
Alright, your turn over there.
Can I help you slide? They don't let mommies and daddies go up there. Mommies and daddies can't go.
She's sliding down.
Well, we'll try. Long day. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, March 25th, and we're up. Well, we're not up that bright and early, but this morning I'm going to be making breakfast. My husband's friend is over. He's in town for a Project 9419 show they're doing today, so I'm going to make a little breakfast board, something a little bit different, semi-fancy but not that fancy. Breakfast but make it cute. Period. So I'm about to make a little breakfast board. First, I'm gonna pour me up some coffee because I'm tired as I don't know what. So pour me up some iced coffee, and then yeah, get to making this breakfast board. I'm just gonna do bacon, scrambled eggs, waffles, sausage links, and fruit, and I'll probably have like some yogurt. Not probably, but I'll do yogurt and granola, and just make it cute. We'll see what I have. I was able to get this. Excuse me, I just washed it off, but I found this board at Target. It's still wet. Found this board at Target. They had some wooden ones, but they were so small, and I'm like, if I'm doing breakfast, I'm gonna need something a little bit bigger, so I had to go ahead and go with this gray one, but we'll make it cute. I wanted the wooden vibe, you know, the aesthetic, but didn't give that this morning. It was a little last minute, so we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna dry it off and put everything on it when it's done and make it look cute.
Nobody told me it wouldn't be easy. Family told me it'd be worth it in the end. Yeah. Oh, I'll count it all joy if it all comes crashing down, and keep my eyes open, headed high to the end of time. If your love, I'll give anything. Your love, I'll probably live again. Yeah. For your love, I'll probably fly away. For your love, I'll keep on singing about you. Oh, for your love I give anything. Your love I probably live again. For your love I probably fly away. Your love I keep on singing about you. No moving back and forth. I've been hoping and I've been waiting until I can't no more. The one that I adore. What's the move, please, Lord, tell me. Life is crazy, I can't imagine being left out in the dark. Please come light up my life. I'll give anything. I'd give anything. For your love, I'll probably fly away. For your love, I'll keep on singing about you. Oh, for your love, I give anything. Your love, I'll probably live again. For your love, I'll probably fly away. For your love, I'll keep on singing about you. I keep on singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. Keep on singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. I keep on singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. I keep on singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. Singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. I'll keep on singing about you. Singing about. I'll keep on singing. I'll keep on singing about you.
Okay guys, I'm back. It is currently about 3:30 in the afternoon. The house is completely quiet, completely. Barrett and his friend, they left to go to the live taping of the Project 9419 live show. And of course, I think I mentioned earlier, I couldn't go. I was going to see how Zuri was feeling to see whether or not I was able to slide through and go myself. And as you can see, I am home, so I was not able to go. She wasn't feeling too well still, so I didn't want to push it, didn't want to push possibly getting someone else to watch her. So I was like, it's okay. I'll just watch the show live, probably on Instagram, or click on the link. First I want to open up this box that I got from Sephora. It just came, so I said I might as well just open it on camera. And then I'm going to make me some tea with my ashwagandha in it, get real relaxed and cozy, light a candle, and I'm just going to sit in my reclining chair and read a book. I had bought this book a while ago when me and Barrett, for our anniversary. It was one of the books I wanted to read, some books by Colleen Hoover, and he picked this one for me because I said I've been wanting to read it. So I am excited to read this book, and I started it the other day when I was at jury duty, and it's actually pretty good. You know, I'm always for like drama, suspense. My favorite kind of books to read are suspense books. I'll let you know how I like this book for any people out there who read like me, who may want to read it. So yes, that's what I'll be reading as I sip my ashwagandha tea, relax my mind, come down for a bit. Having a sick kid, oh my goodness, it's so draining. And I was just talking to a friend of mine because I was telling her that parents that have more than one kid, how do you do it? I say shout out and kudos to you guys, because how you try to keep one kid from getting sick, or both kids are sick, or you still have to take care of the other child while nursing the other one back to health. I just don't understand, because Zuri is taking me through the ringer. Anyway, okay, so now to my Sephora box. So K.I.L.E. If you don't know, I'm a fragrance girl and I love different to purchase different fragrances. I'm more of a gourmand fragrance. Anything that makes you smell like a delicious dessert, that's my type of fragrance. So I just saw recently that K.I.L.E. had came out with a fragrance called pistachio gelato or something like that. And I have a couple of K.I.L.E. fragrances right now, like the Eden Juicy Apple and the vanilla one. And I don't know why I can't think of what the vanilla one is called right now. And they both smell pretty good. The Eden Juicy Apple is okay. To me, it's not like grown and sexy next level, but if you mix that, I saw one of the YouTube girlies say if you mix that with the K.I.L.E. vanilla one, dang, why can't I think of what it's called? With the K.I.L.E. vanilla one, mix them, they smell so good together. They complement each other in a way that you wouldn't think a vanilla and an apple fragrance will complement each other. But when I mix the two of those, I'm all in for the Eden one. So anyway, I got the travel size of this since it is a blind buy. So I'm about to try it now with you guys. And you'll get my first reaction to how in the world it smells. So this is it right here. This is what the travel package looks like. Let me open it. The best thing to do if you're doing a blind buy and going off of someone else's word is to get the travel size first, because like for this brand, for K.I.L.E., it's called Yum Pistachio Gelato and it says intense on it. So we'll see. But yes, if you're going off a blind buy, get the small travel size. This brand, their small travel sizes are only $25, so it's not that big of a loss if I end up not liking it. Yeah, I could go to the store, but there is no Sephora near me at all. So anything I get when I buy my fragrances from Sephora, I have to pretty much go into it blind. And yes, it sucks, but it is what it is. So this is how it looks. I just took off the little top and let's see. First spray. Oh, that smells good. On first spray, you can definitely smell like a hint of pistachio. It is sweet, it is intense, but I feel like it's not too intense where it make you cringe like, ugh, that's too strong. Okay, the scent notes are pistachio gelato, hazelnut, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, and cotton candy. Every one of those is something I want to smell like, for real. I can't wait to see what like the dry down notes of it are. Once it settles onto my skin a little bit, what's going to be the more predominant scent that I can smell. But this is a winner. You can definitely smell the pistachio, the sweet rum, the marshmallow a little bit. I'm not smelling the cotton candy right off the bat, but this is a winner. I will buy the actual big size of this because it definitely smells like a dessert, and that is my goal, to smell like a dessert. Whenever, wherever, whatever. I had some Sephora reward points, so I also got Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, because I'm always looking for like a good face moisturizer. Let's see, it's so tiny, but if I can use my points to get free stuff, I'm definitely going to do it. So yeah, it's called Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. So I'm going to see how this feels, and if I do, I like the brand Charlotte Tilbury because, well, I like their I have their Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and it is an Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It makes your face look so smooth and nice, and it's a great foundation. So I like this brand. Let me see. It's definitely really creamy. It's not scented. It has a light scent, but it's not really scented. So this is a good seems like a good face moisturizer for, you know, as you moisturize your face before you do your makeup, before your primer and everything like that. I always use a moisturizer, as you should. And yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, but it's a nice consistency for layering when you're about to put your makeup on. So I don't know how much the regular size of this is, but I'm going to go through tongue-tied. I'm going to go through this little jar and just see how I like it, see how it sets well with my makeup. And I may end up getting a bigger one of these. And what else did I get? Okay, I got Fenty Skin Fat Water. It's a pore refining toner serum. It says instantly refines the look of pores and reduces the look of dark spots. It evens your skin tone and fights shine without stripping your skin. If this works, I did hear great things about this. Let me take it out the box and see how it looks. I did hear great things about this. I don't have, well, I have, as far as Fenty products goes, I have the tinted moisturizer bomb. I love the tinted moisturizer. Something nice and light on days when I don't want to put on full foundation. The tinted moisturizer is so good. And I also have what is it called? It's so good. Hold on, it's gonna mess me up, so I gotta go get it. Hold on. So it is the Fenty Skin Plush Pudding. And it's for your, it's an intensive lip recovery mask, and my lips be getting dumb dry for no reason. Dumb dry. And this is like an automatic fixer, like any cracking, peeling, anything like that. This is how it looks. And just taking it over on like this. I bought it for myself right before Christmas, and it seems so small, but there's a lot in here because you don't need a lot at one time. But this, it feels so good on your lips. There's no fragrance to it at all, and you can, it's best for me if I put it on at night. Well, I put it on in the morning too, anytime my lips feeling like, girl, please. This yes, I put it on my lips in the morning or at night. This is how it looks. And yeah, it's called the Plush Pudding. Makes your lips feel so good. So anyway, that's the Fenty products I have. So now this fat water, I've heard a lot about it. It says use day and night on clean skin, apply over your face with fingers. Fat water toner serum. I cannot wait to try it. That's my little Sephora haul. So let me make this tea and get stationary on my couch, relax before Zuri gets up from her nap while the house is completely quiet. Okay, so I didn't have any ashwagandha tea. I for sure thought I had some left, and I don't have any at all. So I went ahead and just took an ashwagandha pill because I'm determined to relax. y'all. Today is Sunday. And look, we made it out the house. My girl is not in the best mood so far today because she still got a little cough, but I was trying to think of something that we could do. Let me turn this music down. I was trying to think of something that we could do that wouldn't put her around too many other people and we could still get out the house and do something. So this morning I found there's a TikTok page called Kids Quarantining Me or something like that on TikTok that I found that pretty much tells you things to do in the DMV for your with kids and families and stuff like that. So I found this drive-through safari in Vienna, Virginia. So that's where we're headed to right now. But let her see some animals. And what is this person doing? Sorry about that. So yeah, just let her see some animals, get out, get some fresh air. We've been cooped up in the house with her not feeling well. She still has a little cough, but I think everything's pretty much kind of draining today. But we out here and I'm glad to be out the house for my sanity. I'm so glad to be out. So we're gonna see what this drive-through safari is giving. I hope it's so cute and I hope she loves it. Yeah, ready. We did.
Right, see your little... All right, here are your biscuits.
And we have a 2-year-old.
All right, one for each of you guys.
Okay.
For those 2-year-olds complimentary.
Okay.
Did you want to feed the animals today?
Yes.
All right, buckets of feed are 20.
Thank you.
Mike will get your card here for you in a sec. Here
Thank you.
And you guys are all set.
Thank you so much. Okay, Zuri, you ready to get out your seat and feed some animals? Okay. Oh, he peeing. Oh boy. Oh boy. How we caught that? How did we get that? I'm good to go. I'm clear. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 have some kind of indoor portion. Well, not indoor portion, but another part now where you get out of the car. So we're about to walk in now and see what that's about. We have a lot of feed left because we would have had more if that cow wouldn't have put her head in Varet's lap and ate all she can eat. I might leave that part out of this vlog because that didn't sound right. But going in now. But the drive-through safari slash petting zoo, that's basically what it was definitely a must go to if you have little ones. Zuri really enjoyed it, even though she was kind of out of it. She really enjoyed it. Oh, my battery's about to die. My gosh, I cannot win today with this camera. Excuse me, let me see if I can finish off. But she really enjoyed it. Had a great time. So we're back on the way home now. And yeah, the price to get in was just $20 per adult. That's ages 13 to 60. And Zuri was free because she's 2, but ages 3 to 12 you pay for. I'm trying to talk fast. To buy the bucket of food was $20. They had monkeys, cheetahs, everything that you can just get up close on, not touch of course, but get up close on and watch. They had more cows, more everything, and so it was definitely fun. Zuri had a great time. More goats. Me and Varet super enjoyed it. Go figure about the cow sticking his whole head, and Varet was creeped out. Before I end this vlog, I want to say please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel, because why not? This is where all the beautiful people are. Like I said, thank you guys again for coming back again to watch another video. Love you guys so much. And yes, that's that on that. I don't be knowing what to say when I'm in these videos. It just gets so awkward, like, okay, cut the camera off.